Almost there. What smells? I don't know. How you feeling? Getting ready to blast. We can go in. We're ready. Yeah. Really empty. Springfield is empty. Oh, we gotta go to Nintendo World. This is nice. I see it in the distance. Oh, we're by Jurassic World too. God, this is so cool. Let's go. Let's go. Where are you going? Where am I going? Wow. Oh my god, oh my god. Guys, oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god, this is too much. Look at the floor. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yay. Wow, this is, I can't even take this all in. This is crazy.
Wait, can I meet you in there? I'm gonna pee.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is so cool. He's fast. Yeah, he won't wash his hands. Oh, this is where we came in. Whoa, cool. Hi. Oh, Shy Guy. He just ate Shy Guy. He ate him. Carmina, smile. Vince, break the chain. Should I close my eyes? Oh, this is cute. Oh, how cute! Can I touch you?
Oh, that is
That's cute. Award for Racing Excellence. Congratulations.
Those are the trophies for the cups.
What does that say? Hey Mario, I challenge you to a race. Come to my castle and don't chicken up. Oh, look at that! Why did they take a picture together? No blaster! No blaster! I need a picture! Wow, that looks so real! It's 3D! Blast, blast! This is awesome!
Look what's in it. Look what's in it.
Sing, sing!
Peaches, 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 peaches.
Paper Mario, Super Mario Galaxy. There's a red shell over there. We're going in the boiler room. Close the door. This is so cool. I'm having so much fun. I'm blasting.
But not yet.
Wow. Whoa. Oh, it's a factory. And it's 3D. I need to touch this. Oh my god. That is awesome. Look at his eggs. Why doesn't she have any accessories? Oh my god. Awesome. The mushroom's eyes are so pretty.
Scarf is his tongue.
Team Mario! Team Mario! I'm gonna do number 1. Finish the Mario ride. Awesome. Carmina, what's your rating?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
What's your rating of the ride?
15 out of 10.
What's your rating?
10 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Oh my god, so cool! I'm gonna use the bathroom soon. You're little. Oh, it does work. How do you line up for this?
Looking good.
Looking good. Oh.
The piranha.
This place is so cool. I love the Mario Kart ride so much. It was so fun. Oh, what's she doing? Oh, is this the kids ride? Oh, I don't know. Cute.
Prince, Dorado, Brandon, and Houston was filmed. Making shots of the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise and even Royal World and so forth. This was also the setting of a hit comedy, The Good Place, which starred Ted Danson and Kristen Bell. You go to show straight.
I'm here.
Oh my goodness
Ew,
gracious,
the
folks.
ribs. Carmina.
I apologize for that incident. I had no idea that the listeners were going to step up for a snack. Yes.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh no.
I watched the weather forecast before I came into work today, and Al Roker did not mention
Oh.
rain as well.
Our side is cool.
Nothing. Thanks a lot, buddy.
Hollywood.
Don't have, as I was saying before, Mother Nature interrupted me. The thing, folks, there's a flash there. Everyone take cover. Chimichanga, folks. This is why I tell everybody.
Looking forward to this moment for my whole life.
There's nothing to it.
What to worry about?
I thought we already captured the shark, but there's another one in the water. What's going on here? That's our scuba diver, George. George, buddy, get out of the water. The shark is coming for you. George, can you hear me? Jump up.
Let me show it everyone.
Folks, this is going from bad to worse. Call up the fire station team. Folks.
Yeah, the well. my god, they're sticking to my legs. Ew, I feel so gross. Oh, where? Right there. Having lunch at Toadstool Cafe. The food looks good. It's so cute in here. Look, it's Toad. What am I gonna get? I don't even know. Say hi to him. It's so adorable in here. Are those boba? It's like halo halo. Oh, it's a paper straw. What is it? There's a lot of yellow. I gotta let the ice melt a little more. Let me see your food.
Since today I present to you flour bomb.
Oh, you got a
spaghetti
flower? I got a
meatball.
mushroom.
Oh. And then
We
what do you
have a
present?
short rib over here with some
Creme.
I was gonna get that.
Creme a la creme.
I almost
creme de la creme.
and I got a Mario flavored fruit. It's made out of him. These are better than him now. You can start eating. This isn't really Mario. Last but not least, like 10 hours later. Let's try. Okay.
I feel like that would be good.
It's a little spicy. Is it Frank's? Maybe. I don't think it's Frank's, because Frank's I could like do that and not feel much. Maybe it's like Tapatio, I think.
Just tastes like
This is a lot of meat. I thought it had like, it's just meat. It is a lot to cook because the meat is so thick. Otherwise it would be raw in the middle.
That's for it, medium rare. How's it boiled?
It's okay, it's a lot of meat. I'm satisfied.
A lot of meat, a lot of ball.
It is pretty spicy actually. This fireball challenge is really a challenge though. It's so spicy. So pretty. Thank you. Good? It's so spicy.
This is so sweet compared to that.
I know, when you eat the tomato soup,
Like right after.
it literally tastes like sugar.
Just ask them how we take it both.
Boys! Harry Potter! Harry Potter himself?
Guys, nice to meet you.
Whoa! It's snowing. We'll ride the ride first and then we'll go to the shops.
And then butterbeer.
Yeah, butterbeer. Oh, she's drinking it already. Na, na, na. No, it's actually small. It's just an illusion. But it looks huge. Hogwarts. Go faster.
The small buildings.
Or do you want the roller coaster first? What should we want first?
Roller coaster.
Okay, we'll do the roller coaster
Wait, what's
first.
the other one?
Padobea.
Where are we?
We're in an alleyway. That's cool.
Yeah, there's a whole nother level of this park. Yeah, they got little markers.
Do the thing, do the thing, do the thing.
Do the thing. We don't know what it is.
Look at the wrist.
He's the wizard.
You're a wizard now.
Oh, you froze it.
Oh, I stopped at the right. Nice work.